Good evening, trading analyst site members. This is Taylor, and this is your July 13th, 2016 member video heading into the Thursday trading day. And we're just going to add 2 plays to the watch list. If you didn't watch the video that we did yesterday, on the watch list, go ahead and watch those because some of those are still going to be active. But I am adding 2 plays to the watch list, and it's Chipotle is the first one, and Chipotle is trading in a box right here, trading in a box. And as you can see, we broke outside of that box. We closed over the highest close that we've had, as well as over these recent highs as well. Okay, so what we're going to look for is a small retracement back to these highs. As you can see, the high of this candle, and this candle right there, and that lines up perfectly. And I'm going to the intraday chart now. This is the 15-minute chart, and that lines up perfectly with this uptrend line. We've got a nice bounce here, 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 here. So right about 4:15, we're going to look for a bounce on Chipotle, and we're going to look for the August 19th calls, and we're going to be targeting about 4:30 is going to be what we're targeting on Chipotle. Our stop would be a close below about 409.60. Close below 409.60 is going to be that stop, a daily close, and we're going to be targeting up here around 4:30 for those calls. Okay, and we've got a really tight Bollinger Bands here. You can see right here the gray line right there, and the gray line, right here, this gray line right here. You can see that that is contracting price, and we like to play these breakouts when they contract out of price, and when they contract out of this range, which is exactly what we're getting with Chipotle. So should be a pretty nice move to the upside, and we're going to target that resistance up there. Next, I want to cover Macy's. So Macy's right here, we broke over this resistance. We had the highs here, right here, right here, and then again right here, and then we broke over it on this day. And we're going to look for a retest tomorrow, slightly lower, near 34.50 or so, maybe about 34.80, something like that. So we're going to target that 34.80 for those calls, and it also matches up perfectly with this uptrend line that we have right here. So from this low, we've got a couple bounces here, almost a touch there, pretty much a touch. We're just going to look for another touch right here, and after that, we should be good to go to fill this gap up here just before $37. And we're going to get the August 19th calls for that as well. Alright guys, that's it for the member video for today. We're still holding that FCX position, and that's the only position open at the moment. So same thing. If you didn't watch the video for that, it's not the last video, but it's the video before that, if you'd like to check out that video. Alright guys, have a great night, and if you have any questions, as always, you can email me or contact me on the contact box on the website. Either way, it goes to the same email address. So I look forward to talking with you guys if you have any questions. Have a good night. See you next time.